Hey guys, welcome to the session. So in the previous class, we were discussing about the dashboard and about the overview, recommendation, the campaigns, all the things we discussed. So we are going to discuss about the part 3. Okay, so now we can see the screen, right? So from here, just going into the insights and report. From there, just click on the landing pages. So what exactly is a landing page? We know that while we are running the campaigns, we have to track the people, right? So for that, we are putting a destination. So let's take an example. You having a website, but for running the campaigns, you are separately creating a landing page. Why? Because we really need the conversion, right? If you're running a campaign for the shoes, okay, it's for women's shoes, okay, but in the website, if a customer is just coming, the customer can see a lot of information, like maybe you're providing vessels, there's bathroom cleaners, there's living rooms, dresses, men's wear, women's wear, kids wear, like that. There are a lot of segments when they are coming into your website. But if you're just focusing on this women's shoes, then you have to create a separate landing page, so that if you're running a campaign and the people are only looking for this women's shoes, and who all the people are just came into your ads, once they are just clicking, they will redirect into that particular page. So that exactly is called this landing page. Why we are just creating a separate landing page? Because if a customer is just coming into your website, it's very difficult for them to find out. Maybe they have to just come into your website, after that they have to search for women's shoes, from there they have to find out. It's a very difficult process, right? For that, if you're just separately creating a landing page for this particular product, then if the customer is seeing your advertisement, once they are just clicking, and they can only see the women's like the running shoes only, so it is very easy for them to make a purchase and all. Okay, so here that is what the landing pages mean. So here you can see who all the people have just come into your landing pages and all. So now you can see there is one more option, that is expanded landing pages. Expanded landing pages in the sense, so if you're just searching for one keyword and you can see a sponsored ad, okay, so if you're just clicking on that particular advertisement, once you're just clicking inside that URL of your landing pages, other than that there are a lot of tracking codes, like the UTM source, the campaign ID, what are the keywords they have searched, like all the details you will get from there. Okay, so here what all the things that particular URL is having, all the tracking codes will be showcased here, so that it is very easy for you to find out who all the people have searched for these keywords, from which campaign the people have just came, from which source they have came, from which medium they have came, like all the details you will get from in this expanded landing pages. Okay, for this expanded landing pages, I'll show you an example. Okay, so this is one of the website of a building apartment. Okay, so they have run a search campaign. So now if I'm just clicking on this campaign, and it will redirect to that particular landing page. Okay, this is a landing page. Okay, but you can see there are some keywords, that is apartments in Trivandrum, new, and you can see the UTM sources from Google. The UTM medium is banner search. The UTM campaign name is TVM brand WT 20 August 2024, and the campaign that UTM ID is this, the term is Artec brand keywords, and the UTM sources Google, Medium, like that, the reputation you can see it here, right? So this is what the tracking code is. So if I have just came here, so in the expanded landing pages of Artec builders, they can just see like who all the people have just came. The source was from Google, the medium is from what they have just put, the medium, the source is from the medium. Other than that, they have put this medium is brand search. Okay, so yes, I have just write the name, that means I have just searched the name as Artec only. Okay, so that is a brand search, right? So same like that, the medium have just automatically the tracking codes will be showcased here. So from here I can just identify it. Okay, most of the people have just searching the brand of my company. So if I'm running the campaigns, also if I'm just including the brand name, it is very easy for the customers to identify, and they are coming, and like that kind of assumptions we can take from here. Okay, it's just an assumptions. Definitely the people thinking perspective will change, right? So I already mentioned you in the previous classes. So now this is what the expanded landing page, I hope you guys understood. Okay, so then comes the shops. What exactly is a shop? We having definitely a physical store, right? So who are the people have just came into your physical store, that activity will be showcased in the shop location. So now you can see the location of our line. So who are the people have just connected with us, how many call from this Google map have been came, who all the people have just clicked on the directions and just came, who all the people have just clicked on the website, like all the details here I will get. Let's take an example. This school is having 3 locations, one in Kerala, one in Tamil Nadu, and one in Madras or Bangalore. Okay, so from here in the shops, if I'm clicking, if I'm running the campaign, okay, so from here in the shop location I can see who all the people have just came into these 3 locations. Okay, how many people have just came into Kerala, how many people have just came into Tamil Nadu, how many people have just came into the Bengaluru, and who all the people have just called this Kerala location to this Tamil Nadu location, and also to our Bengaluru location, who all the people have just clicked on that advertisement, and from there just click on the get directions. So who all the people, like all the count will be showcased of each location, and who all the people have just clicked from there, who all the people have just came into the website, like all the details it will get from here. So from the shop itself I will get a clear idea. Okay, many of the people have just came, or the people who just gone with the direction, the people who called us, the people who just came into our website, the people who just walk into our website, like the highest number is from Kerala or from Tamil Nadu. So in future campaigns also I can focus more on this Kerala audience or in a Tamil Nadu audience on the basis of the research. So this is what exactly the shops means. Okay, then comes the report editor. Report editor in the sense means once you're just clicking on the report editor, here you can say if you want to create reports regarding the templates and all. Okay, now we can see there is an option called template gallery. So if you want to more focus on the performance of the campaign, just click on the campaign performance, and on the basis of your campaigns it will automatically create you on the basis of the template itself. Okay, so here you can see the display campaign, how much the clicks is, how much the impression is, how much the CTR is, how much the total amount is, like that. I'll get the clear idea regarding each and every campaign. Okay, if I'm just focusing on the campaign performance, or otherwise if I want to just focus more on the lead performance or the search keyword, who all the keywords which has triggered on the basis of the search happens, like that. If I'm more focusing, okay, if I'm just clicking on the search keyword, here I'll get which all the keywords people have searched, and on the basis of that how much the clicks has happened, how much the impression is, how much the CTR is, like that. All the information will get from this template. Okay, so why we are using this template in the sense, like, you know, it's very easy, right? It's simple. If I'm creating a report, it is a hectic process. It will take a lot of time for creating a performance of my campaigns and all. But if I'm using this templates, it's very easy, right? If I'm just putting or just selecting the campaign only, it will automatically give me the proper kind of details regarding my products and all. From that, it's very easy for me for the findings and all, right? And also it's a very easy process and a time consuming process, right? So other than that, there is a beta version, that is a generate report. If you want to generate report, here you have to describe about what exactly you want from the report. That means I'm just focusing on the campaign. My campaign is this one. I'm just focusing on the display campaign. I need this conversion, so may I know how much the conversion is, or I want to know, please generate me a report, like that. You can just create here the exact prompt and just click on the generate. It will automatically generate you the report and all. Okay, so here you can say the save reports. If you have just saved any of the reports, you can see it here also. So like that, this is what the report editor is. Okay, it's very simple. And also then comes the dashboard. Dashboard in the sense you can create the scorecard. Okay, so here you can see already there is a scorecard is available. So if any of the campaign has been run in this ad account, definitely here I can see how much the cost will be, how much interactions has been gained, how much the interaction rate it will be, how much people have seen my advertisement, daily cost by device. Okay, how much I have spent for the computers who have just searched from the computers or from the mobile phone, from the tablets, how much for each devices will be, and also interaction rate by the cost on the basis of the device also here you can see, right? And on the basis of the campaign for performance by device itself, here I'll get when it comes to the lead form, this is a lead generation campaign. Okay, so this lead generation campaign, how much the CTR percent, how many clicks from the computer, from the mobile phone, and also from the tablet. Here there is a 3 different ways it is there. Okay, and if you want to add more, you can just add what all the information you really want to add, and if you here you can filter it out, so on the basis of that you can add it here. Okay, so this is what exactly the dashboard is. So if you are setting it here, it is very easy for you to just create the reports and all in future also. So this is what the dashboard is. So I hope you guys understood. It's a very simple and easy topic, right? So just go and create your ad account, and from that just go into your campaigns and just review each and every tools why it is using, and after creating everything while running the campaigns and all, it is very easy for you to identify your campaign performance and also which campaign is giving you the best results on the basis of the cost and also on the basis of the CTR performance and all. So yes, that's it for today. I hope you guys understood. If you're having any doubt, please let me know in the comments. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next lesson.